just let off the clutch real easy. Easy. 3, 4, go. Sitting in the driveway, tracking that mud up and down the highway.
I can haul ass, I can haul hay, I can fill it up every time I get paid. You just never haul 35, ain't there roll around here, take a ride. I can get you out if you get stuck, tailgate down, make a little love, that's why I got a truck. That's why I got a truck. That's why I got a truck.
The truck raid. Back the truck up.